And we're back to learning Photoshop in here, day 3. Let me show you how you can change the lip color. We'll use an adjustment layer, hue and saturation. And if you try to sample the color, you can see you're gonna affect the skin directly. So in this case, let me pick an extreme color and I switch to the layer mask of the adjustment layer, and then I press Ctrl I, which is going to invert it. Our adjustment layer is now black. I use the brush tool, make the foreground color white. I adjust the size and then I paint over the lips. So this brings back the adjustment only in the area that I paint. So obviously we only want to add that to the lips, therefore I only paint there. If you want to have perfect results, then go down with the brush size afterwards, flip the colors to black, and then go over the edges to clean up a little bit here where I overpainted. I'm gonna speed this video up at that point. And now we've got it, we can go back to the adjustment layer and then play around with hue, saturation and the lightness. And this is how I can recolor lips in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.